Good morning. Good day mga lods. Oh, what a sunshine. Ganda ng araw. Ito at for today's vlog, punta tayong beach, but before that, dadaanan namin yung bahay natin mamaya after the service. After the church service, mag-church muna kami, and then we will go straight to the house, and then yeah, we will go straight drive into Michigan. So samahan nyo kami. Let's go. Ganda ng araw mga lods. Where are you? I can't see. Takpan siya ng floaty. Race point. We're here. Down. Alright, we're here. So ayun mga lods, church muna tayo before anything else. Oh, by the way, last 2 weeks ago may nangitlog na ibon dito eh. You know, hanggang ngayon nandiyan pa rin siya. Isa na kaya itlog niya? Isa na kaya itlog? Where's your chicks? Show me your chicks. There. Oh, still egg pa.
Hey, good morning.
Hey, good morning. Thank you. Good morning. Kuha muna tayong kape mga lods. Naka-ready na pala eh.
Yeah.
Naman ako ni Mrs. Let's go. Morning. We share it. Alright.
We're gonna sing Give Thanks. Thank you for today, God. Thank you for who you are. Thank you for your presence, your love, your grace. There really is no one like you, Jesus. You get us through the hardest of times when we're in the most chaotic of storms, and you never leave our side. You heal us when we need it.
It is summertime. Can you believe this? I know it is hot outside. Like we came to church and it's cold, and I appreciate it. You felt that, man? It's good to be here, man. Summer is the best. You should open. I should open the book of Psalms. I want to read some of these foundational passages. These are listed in your notes, and I quoted the translation on your sermon notes too. So this is Psalm 27. We'll read a few of them. David said, "The Lord is my light and my salvation, so why should I be afraid? The Lord is my fortress, protecting me from danger, so why should I tremble? day could be a fresh reminder over all of us. Everybody in this room, everybody watching online, God, I pray it would be a reminder of the foundation that we have in our life.
At this time, and I know we just started this series and we're talking about joy in the Psalms and heading into summer, but maybe
It's done. Ay, dadaan. Let's go. Let's go. It feels good again.
I want to look at the bird. Oh yeah.
Church service done.
Where's the mama bear?
Ay, yung mama bear. Iingay na naman eh. So, let's go na. So, punta muna tayo dun sa ano, daan muna tayo dun sa bahay. And then diretso na tayo sa Michigan. Let's go. Let's go. So, ayun na nga. So, after natin mag-church, dadaan nga muna tayo saglit din sa bahay, no? And double check lang, matagal-tagal din kaming hindi nakapasyal doon or nasilip, but I think I have a clip of I think 2 weeks ago or almost 2 weeks ago. So ito, isingit ko na rin dito. Let's go. Yon, what's up? Update lang tayo sa progress. Bahay, ito siya. Medyo nag-start na sila mag-ukay. Ayan, nag-ukay na sila. Ayan. Hanggang dito eh. Ito. Start na pala sila mag-ukay ngayon lang yan. Kausap lang namin dun sa project manager kanina. Sabi niya nga dinala na yung truck, may truck na magdidig, they start digging. So yun na nga, papatagin na nila yan. Tas siguro before a week or a week after, maybe meron ng foundation yan. So babalik-balikan natin yan to make an update. Alright, yan lang. Progress na tayo, si papano. Thank you Lord. Yun. No, kapitbahay namin. Isa pang bakanteng load ito eh. Yan dyan sa tabi. Hindi alam sino nakabili niyan. So yun na nga, we're here. Double check lang namin, titingnan lang namin kung ano yung mga pagbabago dito. Well, I'm hoping some of progression, but I think there is naman maski pa paano, little by little. And yeah, napakita ko sa inyo. Yun siya. Meron naman improvement maski pa paano. Kalagyan na nila ng mga pang frame and na frame na rin nila maski pa paano. Yan medyo nakikita mo na yung konting improvement. Sila excited din yan sila. Ayun, dalawang bata oh. Nice. Ayos. Maski pa paano. Today is Sunday. Walang gumagawa talaga dyan. And yeah. So yun, tingnan natin sa loob. Lapit tayo. Tingnan natin. Yung mga kahoy. Dami na rin silang nagawa. After not even 1 month. Kasi nagdig sila was what? They start digging May 27. And now June 22. So wala pang 1 buwan basically. What happened? Careful kayo ha. Sa loob yung basement, di makita yung basement, madilim. So ito, this is how it works. Ganyan, at least na frame na nila. Almost done yung first floor. And ito yung magiging backyard natin hanggang doon siguro sa puno, sa may cooler na yun. And then this, where am I staying now is the sunroom. Ito yung sunroom eh. Then ito na yung likod. Yan, kabila na yan, ibang property na yan. Medyo hindi ganun kalaki yung backyard pero okay na din. Hindi mahirap hindi mahirap i-maintain. Yeah, this is the way out, going to the backyard. Yeah. This one. Yun, medyo okay na. Yes sir. Thank you Lord. Konti-konti lang. Well, hindi naman minamadali. Kasi nga naka-extend pa rin kami dun sa apartment. So sinisilip-silip lang din namin. And improvement is good. Ito yung magiging parking eh. 1, 2, and 3. We got 3 car garage. Okay na, init. So yeah, yun lang update dito sa munting tahanan natin, and we go straight to the beach. We go to Michigan. Mag-beach tayo mga lods. Alright, so yeah, see you there at the beach. Let's go. The beach. Nalagay mo yung ano mi? Yapay. See that? We decided to do our first pit stop here. Gutom na kami, hindi pa kami nagbe-breakfast. So, brunch na to. Pagkagising namin, bihis lang, diretso church. Nag-ayos ng gamit, and then go to church. So basically hindi pa talaga kami kumakain, coffee lang dun sa church, and gutom na si Balin and yung mga bata. Of course ako rin gutom na. So yeah, stop muna tayo dito, and then after that dire-diretso na ulit. Alrighty, let's go. Breaky. Break that thing. Come on. Don't remove anything.
Taga-ubos ng tira-tira. Kain lang siya yung mga tira-tira. Yun pa, may french fries.
Ano?
Ay, hindi pinagbubuksan. Thank you.
Oh, ang init.
Charles, why do you look like that?
Sabi sa month, 1 hour 1 hour 22 minutes to get there.
No, right now
So
55 minutes.
yeah, now we still have 55 minutes to get there. Oh, init, grabe humid. Na konti na lang. Bata magsiswimming. Konti na lang. Sa left side natin is lake na yan eh. Yun. Another 2 minutes. Lake sa harap mo. Let's go.
Turn.
We're here, I guess.
Take a slight right turn, then arrive at your destination.
Alright. Dito may bayad yung parking. Yeah, so we can go here.
Yeah, kahit saan.
Let's check here if there is. Dito na sa kotse. Oh, sarap maligo. Hintay lang tayo ng parking. Ito, aalis daw tong pick-up truck na yan. Nagakot na sila. Init. Oh, sarap ng araw. Darating lang namin. Time check 2:23. So, sakto, 1 oras mahigit talaga yung biyahe. Let's go.
May chongki.
Medyo mainit mga lods. Hey, dito na tayo tumano. Oh my lods, let's go.
Short. Short.
Baka mangitim ka eh.
Okay.
Halika rito.
Already did.
Chill muna. Chilling like a villain. Si Rashad tumakbo na naman dun sa ano eh. Tumakbo na siya agad doon mga lods.
May circle work, tapos magpipick up pa.
Mga lods, Pupunta ko muna yung mga bata doon. So, tubig. At baka tayo ng alon yun. Ang nipis pa naman nun. Pero shark. Dito sa pwesto namin medyo konti lang yung tao eh. Pero doon sa kabila, puno. Sikan. You need your what? Ito pala siya eh. You need your what? Oh, your goggles? Ay, bababa. Mga lods. Chill lang muna tayo dito. Medyo maganda yung hangin, malamig. Pero mainit yung araw, yung tama ng araw. Noon. Snorkel shot.
Dad, can you hold my snorkel?
Why don't need this?
I don't need it.
Doon sa kabilang dulo, daming tao eh. Puno eh. So, okay na dito. Medyo maski pa paano. Maluwag yung space. Nakit lang muna tayo dito mga lods. At hindi ko alam kung maliligo ako eh. Mangitim ako eh. Sayang naman kung mangitim tayo. Puntaan ko sa Rochard doon sa ano. Puntaan ko si Rochard doon. Nag-CR ako eh. Nandun siya eh. Init. Dito pa sila Rochard. Sila Rochard. Rochard! Ayun sinasabi ko, maraming tao. Doon sa kabila. Dami yung kumpul sila dun eh. Dito lang tayo. Solo natin. Nakukin ko si Rochard. Makita eh. Ayun. Ayun, nakita ko na. Nawala sa paningin ko eh. Nandun lang kami sa cottage eh. Wala yun. Short! Short! Wala. Ako saan pumunta eh. Hindi ko makita kanina. Hinahanap ko. Okay, diyan ka lang. Balik ulit ako doon. What happened? Gutom ka na?
Cut!
What happened? You hungry?
Kain ka na.
You hungry? What happened? You hungry?
I think I'll scratch me.
Scratch?
He was like this.
Only scratch, sabi?
Separate.
No, gutom ka na yan. Kumain ka na.
Yung abs mo ah. Kaya pala, natamaan yung abs.
Kumain ka na, Shark. Lulublog muna tayo, mga lot. At para ma-feel naman natin yung pagpunta natin ng beach. Yung puro upo. Tara mga lot, sama kayo. Lulublog tayo. That's it. Wallet ko. Wallet niya. okay na, nakaraos na yung whole day beach ano natin, road trip dito. And anyways, nag-ready na sila to pack up. Uwi na rin kami. It's another 1.5 hour drive home. And yeah, habulin ko pa yung Game 7 NBA. So unfortunately lobat na yung phone ko, so dito ko na muna siguro tatapusin tong video natin. And before I forget, shout out kay brother Jedge and Andrea, also known as Andrea Jedge TV, alright, and their kids, Claire and Klein. Hope I pronounced it right. And yeah, God bless everyone. See you again on the next vlog. Alright, peace out.